Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're pitting the Breville Oracle Touch fully automatic espresso machine against the Jura ENA 8 touchscreen today, right?
Exactly. Two super-automatic espresso titans. This is going to be a tough one. Sounds like a coffee lover's dream, or maybe a nightmare trying to choose.
Let's dive in and make it easier. Okay, the Breville Oracle Touch, it's a renewed model, which is interesting. First thing that jumps out is that it has a touchscreen for selecting everything from espresso to lattes and cappuccinos.
The Jura ENA 8 also boasts a touchscreen, focusing on one-touch specialty coffees. It's brand new and comes in a stylish Nordic white. Both are super automatic, so ease of use is definitely a selling point for both.
Right, and the Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. That precise dose control is key for consistent flavor.
The Jura counters with its professional aroma grinder, promising more aroma from the beans. They both seem to be prioritizing fresh grinding, which is essential.
Absolutely. Freshly ground beans make all the difference. Breville also features automatic microfoam milk texturing with a self-cleaning steam wand, perfect for latte art at home.
Jura has fine foam technology designed to deliver barista-quality microfoam as well. It also has a 2-cup function, so you can make 2 milk-based drinks simultaneously. So both are covering the milk-based drinks well, but Jura lets you make 2 at once. Good for couples.
The Breville lets you personalize and save up to 8 coffee settings. That's a lot of customization. You can really dial in your perfect cup.
The Jura is programmable too, letting you adjust coffee strength, volume, and temperature. Plus, it boasts optional artificial intelligence.
Sounds like both give you control over your brew, but Breville lets you save more custom profiles. What about size and capacity?
The Jura is designed to be compact, a key selling point. It's only 10.7 inches deep.
The Breville is significantly larger, weighing in at 37.3 pounds, and with dimensions of 14.7x, 14.5x, 17.6 inches. It also has a larger water tank at 67 ounces.
Definitely a difference there. If space is a concern, or you want something that looks sleek on the counter, the Jura might be the better choice. But the Breville holds more water and beans. One thing to note, the Breville is listed as currently unavailable and is an Amazon renewed product with only a 2.5-star rating. The Jura has a 3.8-star rating.
Good catch! And the Breville being renewed means it's pre-owned and refurbished. That could be a deal breaker for some. So it really depends on your priorities. Space, capacity, and whether you're comfortable with a renewed product versus a brand new one. Both sound like capable machines, but the Jura seems like the safer bet right now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.